Am I reading? BrownHornet, yeah, 136 running big out, set it.
You got a copy on 213 North Carolina. Round of applause for that.
That was a train wreck, but I'll play it. Hey, Pistol, I'll play it.
Oh no, man. Man down, so down well, Ricochet, BrownHornet in the mobile, bye, bye, bye.
I apologize, I didn't think that key was reaching that far. I was checking to reflect. Number 2 is gone. Potent audio. I'm checking reflect and I'm gone.
If he got on the damn Sound King audio, Ricochet, Brown.
And that's how I do it. Hey, audio. Test, 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 test.
Gun, Massachusetts. Hello, Skip Shooter, Shotgun, Massachusetts, beggar, beggar, beggar.
Appreciate it, audio. Number 2 is gone.
Clean up, all folks. All right, Mike. Clean up, all 7, all you kids. Clean up, all you kids. All 7.
Hey, Shotgun. Hey, Shotgun, Massachusetts, 445, Mississippi, waving.
445. Hey, 445. Dirty and mud. On the radio, being down Boston, waving.
Hello out there around Boston. Hello out there around Boston, 445, Mississippi, waving.
Hey, Ricochet, I promise you, hey, Ricochet. That's right there, ain't no doubt. Oh, dirty and mud.
I heard the Carolina smoking in my room.
Down Boston, waving. Hey, Pinto Bean. Top evening to you, 21 Delaware, sir. You're still smoking up there in my seat.
396 around big out.
Oh, dirty topside, being down Boston, waving. You still got a small copy on me, 21, back there in Delaware, where you now?
Roger, Mr. Ricketts.
Yeah, 21, somebody's throwing a big old dead key out there. Hey, 21 Delaware, 445, somebody's throwing a big old dead key out there. And I'm just letting you know, Timbo.
Tell me on a big old dead key, damn it, man. All right, appreciate it, 445.
Oh, right there, 445. You still rolling on top of there in North Carolina right now, 445, 300.
Right back to the 300, I appreciate it. I just sitting back here reading the mail, see what's going on, man. I just kind of being nosy. Hey, 300, I appreciate it. 445 back on the side.
Roger that, 445, 300 out. Still hearing you in there? Driver 300 waving back. Nail driver 300.
Your little brother, Mr. Funky Ground playing in Philadelphia, is right back.
Ricochet, I know you heard 425. Hey, Ricochet, 425 in Delaware. Ricochet, 425 Delaware, and I'm getting down.
Hey, 425 Delaware. 425 Delaware, 445 Radio Man waving.
I'm about ready to start. Nigga.
No, out there, 425, they got real rough in there. I don't know what's wrong with these cotton pickers this evening, but I guess everybody wants to talk at the same time. Hey, 425 Delaware, 445 waving, and I'm back off the key. Bye.
Hey, kid, I'm gone.
Hey, 127, what are you doing up in there? Hey, 127, pistol grip, 445 waving.
Pressure, I got that pressure. Pressure out there on the what's going down up in the radio? Hey, Neil Java, don't you understand what's going down up in the radio? I mean, hey, Ricochet, I got pressure on them base stations, right.
How much pressure you gonna put on them? 445 said, how much pressure you gonna put on them boys up there, Jimbo?
Break it. Somebody tell BrownHornet funky ground playing so high. Somebody tell BrownHornet funky ground playing so high. Worldwide, Mr. Funky ground playing good enough.
Hey, worldwide funky ground playing. You want me to tell somebody to tell BrownHornet said hello? Hey, funky ground playing. Hey, you want to tell BrownHornet you said hello to the...
Good time with him this weekend at the break, man. Tell him I had a good time for him and his wife and his brother at the kid. Can't really say a good time with that kind of nigga. No doubt about it. Mr. Funky ground playing working his bird is stepping up. Man, I don't know if he can hear you, but I can definitely.
Hey, funky ground playing Philadelphia. Hey, funky ground playing Philadelphia, 445 Mississippi waving.
Strong skip. Good Lord. Jack.
Shame on the mess out there. 445 Mississippi said shame on the mess. 445 Mississippi said bye.
Ricochet, 327 to Pennsylvania State, 327. We're standing by in Pennsylvania, Ricochet.
194.
Hey, 327, 445, heard you in his radio. I'm going to say good evening. Hey, 327, 445, I heard you in Mississippi, 445 waving.
I hope you had a good weekend, man. Hope you...
I got 445, I don't know if you got me on time. 445, 333, Baltimore.
Ricochet, thanks for getting...
Yes, sir, 333, I got to talk to my radio. Hey, 333, hey, sounding good up there around Baltimore this evening, Jimbo.
Right. Hey, 445. Never mind the fluid, come pneumonia. Never mind the fluid. No conditions on my little rinky-dink radio. Walkie-talkie.
Hey, 333, I don't know what happened, man. It got rough in Mississippi. Hey, 333, Baltimore, it got rough in Mississippi. I'm standing by. Hey, 127 pistol grip, I heard you come over the top. Hey, 127 pistol grip, 445, I heard you come over the top. 127, bye.
Hey, one more time. 445, keep that video here on. 445, keep that video here on. Hey, 145, roll. Hey, 145.
Hey, 127 is rolling. Hey, 127, I hope you got yours rolling, because I got mine rolling. Hey, 127, pistol grip, 445, right back.
Shooter 357, we're trying for any conditions, see what we got. 327, trying to get it back. Skip shooter.
Mississippi, 394 on the beautiful
Man, when it gets like this, ain't nobody talking. 445 said, when it gets like this, ain't nobody talking. 445 on top of my hill, Mississippi, reading them out.
Hello, 44. Worldwide 394. Worldwide
327 here in Allentown.
Worldwide 394. Worldwide 394.
I heard that worldwide 394. 445 radio man Mississippi said, I heard that worldwide 394 come over the top in my radio in Mississippi.
Do the ash and trash, man. I'll get there and see if I can get my name called. Audio Kid, hey, Sandman in the valley up here. Audio Kid. How about that one ricochet? How about that one ricochet down around Maryland?
333 Baltimore, stand by.
Hey, 333 Baltimore, I heard you up in there. Hey, 333 Baltimore, 445. I heard you up in Mississippi, 445. Hey, 333, what you doing in Mississippi?
Only doing your thing, no doubt about it.
445 Carolina Kid, some bag of
We're this laser 400.
Hello to you, 445 radio, man. Way back out.
Right back to my tag, Carolina Kid. Sounded good this evening. Hey, Carolina Kid, I guess you're working that shockwave over there in the Carolinas. Hey, Carolina Kid, sounded good in my video gauge. Hello.
Address 27, Twin Towers, 27, Twin Towers.
You just come over there and took my whole receive out. 835. You just come over there and took my whole receive out. Chesapeake L 35042.
Right there, Carolina Kid, it got rough in there again. Hey, Carolina Kid, have a good evening. God bless you. Hey, I appreciate the shout. Hey, Carolina Kid, my tag in the Carolina, 445. Hey, I'll see you later. Bye.
Around down here. Go with Mobile.
Skip shooter, top of the pile on this end, man. Just going right over top of the mast.
Showing that 27 Twin Towers. These good big Twin Towers in the Carolina. Showtime.